Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me to the wizarding world of Harry Potter. Specifically, we're going to go into the Weasleys Wizard Wheezes shop. This is by far one of the best shops that you're going to find in Diagon Alley, which is located in the Universal Studios theme park. As you can see, the side windows are one of the first things you're going to want to check out. Here, you'll find magical displays for Weasleys, puking pastilles for you-know-poo, and you'll even find a cheeky Weasley twin greeting you as you walk in. But now, without further ado, let's go in to the Weasleys Wizard Wheezes shop. The first thing you should do when you walk into this store is just look around. There's so much to behold. There's also the lovely music playing in the background. There's fireworks, there's parts that move. Just take it all in. It's truly magical.
Muggles, I have Rochelle here today and Darcy very excited to come. She's decided to name it Marshmallow. Can I get a huge round of applause?
Be prepared that if you buy a Pygmy Puff, you can have a naming ceremony for it. The whole store will get involved and cheer you on as you name your first Pygmy Puff. Looking around, there's just so much to take in. They've done an incredible job and really made the shop look just like it did in Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. You'll be able to find working decoy detonators, extendable ears, and cycling Dolores Umbridges for sale, as well as questionably effective yet nonetheless on sale Wonder Witch love potions, nose-biting teacups, and nosebleed nougats. If you're a Potterhead, then this is the store where you're going to find some of the most unique merchandise. How about I let you shop around for a bit, and I'll catch you in a sec. So, how'd you make out? Did you find everything you were looking for? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. There's lots more Wizarding World of Harry Potter content to come. See you soon!